The Foxboro imt25-pdadb1m-ab is a member of the imt25 flow meter transmitter series, which are configurable signal processors used in the measurement of water flow. These signal converters are the electronic control that measure using a magnetic type flow sensor and then convert the signal to useful information such as gallons per minute. This flow meter processor came to ERD with the non-working 420 mA output, which is commonly used by the SCADA systems using these flow meters. As you can see in the video, a simulated flow meter magnetic signal is applied to the converter, and then the proportional 420 mA output is monitored for proper operation and scaling. ERD has a long track record of repair in the water industry on both the clean and waste side, and as with all of our products, our complete rebuilds come with our industry-leading 3-year warranty. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.